How to get the new TikTok update. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to get the new TikTok update. So let's begin. So if you are an iPhone user, then this tutorial will be very helpful. And also if you are an Android user, then make sure to follow the steps that I will be teaching you as well. So go ahead and open your App Store or your Google Play Store and go to the search bar right here. So on iOS, you may click on search found on the lower right corner of the screen, and on the Android, you may click on the topmost part or the magnifying glass icon on the top right of your screen. So then type in the word TikTok and then wait for it to load. So if you're an iPhone user and then you may be able to see the open button only. So you may think that the TikTok doesn't have an update as of the moment. However, there are glitches. So what I would like you to do is to simply click on the TikTok app first, and then as you can see right here, there will be the update button that will appear. So don't get tricked on the open button right here. As you can see now, it turned into update. So make sure to open the app, I mean the option, and then click on update right here. So there are also features on TikTok that is not available on certain countries. So for example, you saw a feature on TikTok and then once you updated your TikTok and doesn't see that feature, then that means that your country is limited or is not allowed with that feature. So what you're going to do is to simply wait if you don't have the update button that will appear, and then that's it. That's how you can get the new TikTok update.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.